Alright, what is up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel, it's Tagaiver here. So today I am going to be showing you a video on how to convert PDFs to text documents and then summarize it. I'm sure you've dealt with this before, where maybe a professor gives you an ungodly length PDF like this, and he's like, okay, read this. You see, when somebody gives you a big ass reading like this, you're not going to remember a single thing about it because you're not going to retain all that. So what I'm going to show you how to do is make this way easier to read. So the first thing you got to do is you're going to have to download your document. So I'm just going to save that real quick. And what you're going to do next is you're going to head over to this website that I'm going to link into the description, and that is pdf2go.com. Alright, so pdf2go.com, there's a lot of PDF converting options. So what you're going to do is look for purple, scroll down, and look for PDF to text. All the others are kind of going to be useless for us, or at least with what we're doing. So you could disregard the others, and we're just going to go PDF to text, and we're going to take our document, throw it into there, and let it convert. So right now it's uploading. That is just the uploading process. So now we're ready to start converting. You're going to go automatic detection, start this up, and you're going to be here for a minute. Depending on how long the article is that you are converting, you might be here for a while. So yeah, this usually goes pretty quick. The only reason why it's taking a while right now is because I'm running a 63-page document through it, and this is the coolest part about it. It's also able to pull the text out of stuff like this. So like cartoons, it's going to be able to pull the text out of, maybe not like with the stuff that's right here because that's like hard to read, but like Jack the Giant, it'll probably get that, and it's a beast. It's amazing. And it's a lot better for smaller things, but you're also able to convert some large ass documents. I'm sure whatever you need to put through here, it's going to be able to fit. So while that's loading, we are going to go over to another website that I am going to link into the description, and that is Esummarizer.com. Alright, there we go. So Downward just finished downloading. It popped right into there. If it doesn't, you just come back here and hit download, and that'll go really quick because it's now a text file, and text files are a lot smaller than image files. So right here we have our converted to text document. So the good thing about this is now we can
to nations everywhere. World War II mad technological innovation. Bureaucrat.
You could have it read to you, and that is amazing because for somebody like me, I prefer to have it read to me than to actually sit there and try and read it. I'm capable of reading. I like to grow that ability, but say, you know, they're giving me like the prompt for like a final exam, I'd rather have somebody else read it than me, just for the sake of like, you know, understanding it the best. So what you're going to do, copy everything from inside of there, come over to this, and it's going to present you something like this where you could sign in, sign up, all of these options. So what you're going to do is you are going to use a VPN. I am going to be using Touch VPN. It's just a little Chrome extension that's built right in. I'm going to reload. And now, since I turned on the VPN, you're going to get this Get Started button. Usually you have the Get Started button when you first do this, but then they're going to try and charge you some ridiculous amount of money to do this. So if you use the VPN, then you're not going to be able to be tracked, and you could just keep coming time and time again and doing it for free. So right here is just like a little practice document that they put in. You're going to select it all, delete it, and then paste. What you don't want to do is just do select all and then paste, because it could potentially overwhelm your system. So it's not perfect with the conversion. You'll sometimes get an occasional error like this right here. What that was probably this right here. Maybe something like how I was showing you earlier, how you're just kind of not able to read like stuff like that. That it kind of has problems with, or maybe like 10 cents right there, and then it'll be gibberish. But the important stuff, as long as it looks like, you know, somewhat decent, and it's not a terribly scanned document, it'll be able to help you with a majority of your scanned documents. So we're just going to hit summarize, and then boom. We just condensed 63 pages of the most boring thing I've ever had to read into a 10-page
During the war, the
10-sentence document.
Japanese enemy in World War II also proved to be free-floating, and if
And then boom. So that's what you have right there. If that's not long enough for you, extend it. Let's go 200 sentences. And there you have it. So you're able to take an incredibly large amount of information and condense that down and get straight to the point where you're not having all of like the extra stuff that people don't need to know. This allows you to operate and use your time way more effectively and efficiently as a college student. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. This is my channel. I urge you to check out my other content and hit that subscribe bell. It's not showing up for me because it's my channel. Alright, yeah, that's just about it, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you all later. Have a good rest of your day.